guys, before we get started with the video, make sure you check out the Yak Pack channel. You're wondering, okay, really? You're going to talk about it again? No, check it out. We're in it this time. We're going to be in all the Friday episodes. There's little snippets in which we're going to be in there. We're going to be helping out Mike, Brittany, Nick, and Jalen in the Yak Pack. So if you're not subscribed, you're over there. You got to hit that bell button too. Make sure you get over there because we're going to be over there now. So let's get to the video. What's going on, Twin Toyama? We are back. We got everybody minus Beckett. Where's Beckett? Is he sleeping? Yes, because it's kind of late tonight. Anyway, we are playing a fun game that we've created. It is called Dodge the Grenade. This is the grenade. It's very new, actually, to the Nerf market. It's not, I don't think it's made by Nerf. It's made by a third party. But the cool thing is that you can, there are 6 rival darts that are in here. You can put exactly. But anyway, we're going to use this and we're going to play a game called Dodge Grenade, like I said earlier. And the idea is we're going to draw from the deck of cards the order of who's going to hide the grenade. And then you want 5 steps away from where you think the grenade was hidden. And the person who hid it gets to reveal it, drop it. If you get hit by it, that's the point. We're going to go 1 round from everybody. That's 4 rounds. And whoever has the least total points wins. If you're wondering how in the world do we not know where the grenade is, you have to close your eyes, pretty much. Which means there's no cheaters, right? Who's the cheater? Are you guys ready to play this?
Yeah! Yep!
You guys ready out there? Let's do it!
Let's do it!
You're so heavy. Oh, Cam.
Okay, check it out. I'm randomizing the cards. No one knows what they are. This is my shuffling awesomeness. Oh my goodness. Okay, you ready? Who's gonna go first? Okay, Mommy wants to pick. Mommy, you pick. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. Okay. All right, so show it. Highest card goes first. So Mommy goes first.
I have 3.
So it goes Mommy, Liam, Eli, me. Okay, here we go. Okay, Mommy is first. So that means the 3 of us have to close our eyes and don't look. Don't look.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't move. I'm going. Okay.
Yes. Wait.
Hello? Is anybody here? Who's touching me?
Yes.
Why? Why?
I'm back.
Oh, Mommy's back. Ooh, that was creepy. Okay. Now we have to take 5 steps in any direction we want to. But the funny thing is Mommy knows where it is. We don't. So should we follow Mommy or not follow Mommy?
Not full money.
Well, I don't know. She might lead us right into the direction. Okay, we have 5 steps. You ready? We're all gonna count together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They followed me. Okay, so now Mommy gets to reveal where the grenade is.
Do I tell you where it is?
You reveal it.
Oh no.
Okay, now hold on, stay there. Now you have an arm length of radius where you want to toss it. Oh jeez.
Ready?
Okay, we can duck.
What?
Ready?
It got you?
Nope.
Oh
No one.
no. Okay, ready, close your eyes.
Okay, closed. Cam. Hello, Cam. Can you see me? Hello.
Hello, kitten.
Oh my.
Close your eyes.
I take it you're still hiding. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, so we're over here. Uh-oh. This looks like it could do somebody. Okay, Liam, where is it?
It's under there.
Say 3, 2, 1, and drop it.
3, 2, 1, drop. It did not got me. Liam.
Off again.
Cam, are your eyes closed?
What?
I can't see. Are your eyes closed? Do the cat version. Meow, 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 meow. And go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I still have 4 more steps to take.
Why?
I didn't take all 5 of my steps. I wanted to see where all you guys went first. Let me see here. I think I will go this way. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Eli. Where is it? Oh my. Okay.
3, 2, 1, drop it. Okay, that's great.
You get hit. Oh my. You guys dodged a huge bullet there. Okay, everybody close your eyes.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay, you ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see anything interesting?
Where'd it go? You're not allowed to do that.
Anywhere.
The rule is you can hide it anywhere. Look where it was. It was in my pocket. Oh no! Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I got Liam. It didn't get you. No. Okay, so obviously as we're playing a new game, we realize some things here. Chance of getting hit looks like to be very scarce unless you're absolutely on top of it. So we're playing as soon as you get hit, you're eliminated type of basis now. So Liam got hit last round and he is gone. So now since it's 3 of us, last man standing wins. So now it's last man standing competition.
Are you ready?
Right.
Okay.
I'm shushed. 22, 25, 39, 40. Here I come. He's playing hide and seek. That's awesome. Ready? And go. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that was an extra step at the end. Go back. I'm gonna go this way.
2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh no. Oh no.
Can I get it?
Oh no!
He's going.
Put the chair away.
Hey, we can do whatever we want!
Oh.
Yeah, yes, ma'am!
Oh, your voice sounds funny.
Yes, ma'am! Whoa, what's my voice doing? Okay, and you were right here, Sticky Pants.
Okay, you ready? I pulled the pin. Ready? Look, Cam's ready. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, it got me in the face.
Did I get you, E? Yeah.
I think he like it. So mommy wins! Oh,
Oh, yeah.
mommy. Oh.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments if you liked it, if you're gonna play with your friends, and who'd you root for? Was it Team Mommy, hashtag Team Mommy, hashtag Team Daddy, hashtag Team Eli, or hashtag Team Eli, hashtag Team which one? Or hashtag Team Cam even though you didn't play.
Aw, good job, Cam.
Oh yeah. Let us know in the comments what game you want us to play next. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.